Embark on a journey of luxury freedom aboard Splashed Out, the magnificent 88-foot Sunseeker yacht. As the newest member of Sunburst Yacht Charters fleet, it offers a remarkable experience. The spacious aft deck features a large teak table and seating for 10, with walkways leading to a luxurious daybed and bench seating at the bow. Step inside through the sliding glass door to a plush salon with comfortable seating and carpeted interior. The bar credenza with a refrigerated wine cooler sits on the left, while the dining table is opposite. Descending the staircase, you'll discover 3 of 4 staterooms, 2 twin bedrooms with individual bathrooms on the right, and the spacious master bedroom on the left, complete with a queen bed, walk-in closet, vanity, and in-suite bathroom. Moving forward as we ascend the staircase, there's a convenient half bath on the right for guests, a lower helm, and a small breakfast nook. Just forward is the enclosed galley, perfect for private chef or catering teams. Returning to the aft deck, the staircase leads to the covered flybridge. Here, a spacious area awaits with an outdoor dining table, daybed, and additional seating. The retractable roof provides flexibility for sunbathing or shade. Next to the large open area overlooking the stern, you'll find a wet bar and grill. With all the endless possibilities, Splashed Out is the perfect place to be this summer.